members of the press and staff. Nice to be here on this June Council meeting on a historic day in New Zealand.
Yes.
Winning the America's Cup, so fantastic, and we'll be discussing later to put out the first freshwater bid in. Hold the regatta here. I think we can do it, so hopefully. But anyway, I'd like to ask Councillor Tonganui Kingi to give us a special blessing for the day. Thank you, Councillor Kingi.
Thank you, Your Worship. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga, kia mā kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tau. E hi aki ana kia tākura, i teo, i huka, i hauhu, umi e, hui e, tāu.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. So item 1 on the agenda, apologies. We have apologies from Councillor Cousins via email this morning. Any other apologies? Other than that, we've got a full house. Can I have a mover, please? That apology be accepted. Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against, carried. Item number 2, any conflicts of interest pertaining to the items today? No, that's good. All right, straight to item 3. Confirmation of the minutes of the ordinary council meeting on 30th of May. How are we going, Mrs. Ian? Is that okay? Yep. 30th of May, 3.1. Any matters arising from those minutes? Matters arising, or no? Just points of clarification or any mistakes in there.
Well, it's not a mistake, but on page 8, I thought I might be able to attend Zone 2 meeting at South Waikato, but I was unable to attend that meeting, Your Worship.
Okay.
So just like that being recorded.
Thank you, Councillor Flynn. Councillor John? Okay, could I have a mover for those minutes, please? Thank you, Councillor Rankin, seconded by Councillor Harvey. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. Ordinary meeting on the 7th of June. Page number 14. Any clarification of those minutes? No? Could I have a mover, please? Councillor Truman, thank you. Seconded by Councillor Kingi. That those minutes be received. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Thank you.